So tell me a little bit about your GCSE maths experience. How did you find it?
Okay, the truth is that I am speaking with my English teacher, and I always said I haven't got idea what would you like the English system, because it's many times do you have a point level and do you have a point experience, but I haven't got idea what does it mean. And my English teacher said me, why don't you try it? I don't know, I try it. And yes, it was the start.
Yes, so you were having English lessons, weren't you? And your English teacher suggested doing GCSE maths. And
yes, because well, I am good in math. The truth is that, but yes, it is very hard because I learned it very long time ago. Yes, I learned when I was 20, and later I learned math when I was adult in an adult course. But I have never learned English. I have never learned math in English, for example.
And you did absolutely fantastic. It was an absolute pleasure to teach you and work with you. You had to work me quite hard because I had to think of, because you already knew the subjects that we were learning about. You didn't know the English, but you knew the maths, and so I had to work quite hard to find you new things to do. And I brought you a textbook in that you could work from, and that was an absolute fantastic thing, wasn't it? Because you devoured that textbook, and it was brilliant. So, and I'm really pleased that we've got somewhere now for you to continue into the next step. To continue your maths
Thank you
journey.
for your effort.
Yeah,
I am really happy.
And your English has come on so fantastic. I can't imagine ever being in a position where I was doing a qualification, an exam, in a language that wasn't my own first language. I can't imagine ever being in that position. So I absolutely admire you for doing that and how well you've done. And it's just brilliant. And I'm really pleased that we can carry on that progression, because it's useful for your English as well, being in a class talking maths to other people that are learning maths at the same time. And you were so helpful. You were like a mini teaching assistant in the class, because you used to tell people what to do, and it was fantastic to have you there, which has brought your English on so wonderfully. So a winner all round, really.
Yeah, but the truth is that when we start the course, you are speaking, and I just okay, I don't understand nothing. I haven't got idea, but 2 + 2 every time is 4.
Yeah, so you could understand the symbols.
Yes.
Not necessarily what I was saying, but you could understand the symbols. And
But at the end it became easier, and yes, I start understanding more and more. Not everything, but it's more.
Yeah. And you've done brilliantly. So, yeah.
And really thank you all for your help. Everything, because it was so much.
No, it's a pleasure. Thank you, Katalin.
Thank you, everything.